Hey guys, this is your friend Mainal from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel and another video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in this video, we'll make a G+3 residential building in Tekla Structural Designer including the full steps as per the IS code. So if you have bumped into our channel for the first time, make sure you press the subscribe button and the bell icon for regular updates related to softwares and concepts in civil engineering. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, let's just check the requirements here. We have collected the requirements floor to floor height of 10 feet 6 inches and the building will be G+3. So first of all, we will create some basically some construction levels here. For the G+3, we'll insert level below and make this level minus 1.2 meters and add a level above it and give a spacing of 3.2 meters and make this as SSL and make this source slab thickness of let's say 100 mm, and this is the G. There will be 3 more floors above it, G+3, and then we are okay. And this is the plinth level and we'll import our DXF file. So if you want to know how to create a DXF file, please watch our previous video in which we had shown. So first of all, we need the center line and then we'll need the architectural grades. Units will be mm next, and we'll go by layer and in just insert this in all the levels here and then click on finish. And then for the grids, if they are white in color, for the visibility, select the grids and change this color to black. So after that, the grids are done. Now we want our beam column plan as a shadow. So open the center line once again, just untick on the center line and select the remaining one, shadow, and then and then finish. And after that, we'll have the shadow as well for our guiding the locations of our columns. So for the columns, we'll take column size here. As you can see, we'll take column sizes of 225 here. So we'll just go and take column sizes of 225 into 225. Take column sizes, this one automatic alignment turn off, and we'll just do this FE500, and then this also FE500 will have, and then save this particular property. Let's give a C225 cross 225, and then just click on OK, and then we'll place our columns. As we can see, proper location will pick for all our columns here. So these are the columns which we are selecting. So these are the columns which we are selecting here, and these are the positions. Just insert in all these positions here, and after that we'll check in the 3D view, because you can see all the columns are ready here. And here now we'll insert all the beams here. So we'll go for the primary beams, and the remaining beams we can insert itself. So we'll just go to new edit and then give the beam size of 225 into let's say 225 for the plinth level. We're giving this beams, and first of all in the plinth level we'll give this particular beams. Let's go for the primary beams here, and just click on Ctrl plus Z to pick all the points here. Okay, so I think we had missed a column here, so we'll go back to our columns and just take this particular column and insert it here. So we had missed this, so we'll go to beams once again, and then take our go to beams, and then we'll save our particular property. After doing this FE500 and FE500, there is a grade of steel, and then save once again. That will be 225 cross 225 is our property which we had taken for our plinth beams. So what happens if we just select all the column to column connections, all the primary beams connections will be done. I think we had missed a column here, that's why this particular thing was not selected. So we'll take the columns once again and then select this size and then select this, and after that now take the beam once again and take the size. So after that we'll just have all the primary beams connected. Secondary we can take later. So as you can see, this is the structure and this is the primary beams which have been connected. And after that we'll just move on to the next floor and assign some more beams. So to the next floor we'll just go to here the structure and then the levels and then the one we'll just click on, and here we'll just import the DXF file for the center line, open it, and this time we'll take the center line and as a shadow we'll import as and then finish. Here also we'll just take beams, but this time the size of the beams which we'll take, just select this one first, and the size of the beams which we'll take is your size of 225 into, let's say, a 300. This size we are taking, and we'll also save this particular size 225 cross 300, and after saving this size we'll just assign the beams once again, and after assigning the beams we'll just take the particular option of slab on beams, sorry, that is, we'll insert the slabs. We're not concerned with the one way and two way because all these are two-way slabs anyway. Go to structure, as you can see the model has been ready up to this much, so we'll just simply go to construction levels and then we'll copy this particular level to all the levels above. As you can see, the modeling has been done. Now we'll just make sure that these all are turned back to unique and then OK, and then after all we'll go and create one more construction level above it, and that will be of height, let's say 2.8 meter for the headroom, and then click on OK, and then after that select the 4 columns which will go above in the headroom portion, and then just increase the height of it, and then go to the topmost level and select the beams and take the particular beam sizes and join all these beams here. Take the slab and get the slab here. So as you can see, the modeling part has been complete in the Tekla Structural Designer in such a less time.